Anji, hi Amit ji, how are you
I'm
today?
good, Sandeep ji. How about you?
I'm good, I'm good. Finally, everything has come and the furniture is
Yeah,
looking
all
amazing.
because of you, I think.
Thank you so much. All your hard work, all your attention to detail, and follow-ups and everything has paid off,
Yeah,
definitely.
of course, of course. I think we have got unbelievable furniture
हाँ,
and such kind of a setup. It's amazing.
चलो दैट्स अमेजिंग तो आप बताओ हाउ वाज योर विजन फॉर योर हाउस क्या सोचा था आपने जब आपने प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किया और कैसे आपको लगा कि वर यू एबल टू डू इट एंड हाउ वी वर एबल टू हेल्प यू और एनीथिंग
Sure.
यू नो
So the journey started when I bought this house
राइट
and it was under construction. I got the layout plan initially only.
ओके
So since that time only I started figuring out what kind of setup I want, what kind of furniture I want, what kind of color combinations as per Vastu.
राइट
And everything has to be worked in details. I
राइट
knew it beforehand only because if you want to get your dream house, so you have to put in your hard labor.
राइट
So
राइट
in the, at the time of when the layout was almost final, so I was looking for the vendors, and I had worked with few of the companies in Delhi, and I couldn't find good furniture in Kirtinagar or whatsoever. And if somebody has good furniture, they would lack essence, and if somebody has essence, they would charge exorbitant pricing.
even edgy would you discover
Yeah, MG would also I went and see the customization is the main thing.
right
Getting a furniture, placing it is no problem, but it has to go with aesthetics. It has to be aligned with the kind of layout you have,
like
and which was quite impossible. Everybody said that we will customize and this and that, but I had very bad experience earlier dealing with such kind of people, wherein before getting the orders, the commitment is something different, and after when you finalize the order, you get something else. Somehow I was searching for the furniture and I came across global company, Mr. Chandeep.
thank
And
you
I
sir
still remember we met in Chatarpur in Coffee Cafe Day.
yes
Yeah.
yes
So that
that
was
was our
how
first
our
meeting
association started.
right
And after a month or so, I think I visited their office to see what kind of environment they have and what kind of professionalism they carry. And I was quite convinced at that time.
right
And then we made a plan to to
to
go
go
to
to
China
China right
and figure out few of the companies wherein you also recommended me few companies,
correct correct
and then we were able to finalize furniture from 2 3 different companies,
right
artifacts, a few lightings, complete furniture, dining tables, sofas, beds, console tables, everything we decided as for the decor and as for the color. And it was great help from Mr. Chandeep and his brother, Mr. Jaydeep, and they were all the time present. Though there's a time difference in China and India, but I was free to call at night also, wherein it was morning in
in India
India.
yes
But
yes yes
they never made a issue of that, and I think I was bugging them every now and then being in China. So where to eat, what to buy, where to go, where to stay. So everything was done perfectly, smoothly. All the process was smoothly done. And after when everything was finalized, the QC is the main part, which is like quality check.
So that's what I want to ask
Yeah.
you. How was your experience with the China team also there with Emily and her team over there who helped you with the purchasing also and then Tusi
Yeah.
also?
So I think Emily, I could say she's Chinese, but what as her patience is Indian because I think she has been working with Indians, and the patience is a big thing with her.
Right.
Wherein we went to same factories, we went to different malls for the same kind of thing, and then she never hesitated.
Right.
She was bang on time. In fact, 10 minutes earlier than whatever we
Yes.
decided. In
Yes.
fact, if we wanted to move at 9, she was there by 8:30 only, and she was quite cooperative. And she understand the Indian taste, and she understand the what kind of customer it is, what kind of quality he requires, and she only took us to those companies who can give us such kind of quality.
Right. That is the most
Yeah,
important part.
yes.
Right.
And then she was very helpful, I can say that. And I met her husband also. We went for dinner twice,
Right.
and it was a wonderful experience. I never felt like out of form or something like that.
Oh no, that is amazing, sir.
Yeah.
That is amazing. And
And then later on, when everything was
Yes.
finalized, we came back to India and we played advance and everything was
Right.
And the QC quality control, which is I think one of the
Most important things.
yeah aspect in the supply chain management.
Right.
And a few things she could figure out which I couldn't. So I could
Correct.
say that, and she was ready to get those things replaced.
Right.
Because this is how we work. It's a
Right.
kind of a chain. Because if I
Absolutely.
get the good comfort from you, if I could
Right.
get the product which I've already ordered, I'm getting the same
Right.
and without any hassle, I would recommend your name to 10 people. So that's how,
Right.
and I think you, in fact, Jaideep also understand quite well. The customer
Right.
satisfaction is great. And whatever furniture has come, I think it is one of the finest quality. Whosoever has come to my house,
Right.
they have praised the furniture, the aesthetics, the colors, the quality, everything. And it has
Thank you.
it has come in such a manner that it was properly packed.
Right.
And in fact, the packing, I was amazed to see the kind of packing, and I could know before opening the packing the what kind of furniture would be.
Right.
So I think
Right.
everything which I ordered, which I asked them to do, everything
All
is done perfectly. Yes,
customizations.
yes, of course.
Anything where you gave your own sizes like cabinets, side
Yeah.
tables, somewhere
So
they were
few of the
able.
furnitures like sofas and beds were okay,
Right.
but there are few cabinets which I wanted to make as per my
As per your
size
own sizes.
and
Yes.
color, of
Right.
course.
Right.
And they are made perfectly, I think. And I
Right.
think it totally took me only 2 days to set up the complete furniture, which is a
Right.
great beauty of it. I think that's appreciable because few things I've taken from India and they have been replaced twice or thrice. But only the furniture which I've got from China, only 3 people assembled the complete furniture, beds,
Right.
dining table, consoles, all the sofas,
Cabinets.
tables, in
Right.
just a matter of 2 days.
Right. Right.
And in fact, I bought the curtains also. I took the measurements. I bought the China's motorized curtains, awning curtain, main curtain, blackout curtains. So all my rooms, I think they are perfectly fitting. And it only took a day to fit all these curtains. And they come with the latest technology wherein it has a remote, which nowadays you get
Open.
here also.
And
But then
lighting.
it has got inbuilt lighting, which
Inbuilt
is
lighting as
yeah,
well.
curtain washer.
Right.
There you have to make some kind of arrangement to put light, but they have come fitted with
Fitted with
lights.
the cove lighting effect.
Yes, of course.
Basically. And sir, what was the biggest difference you saw? You must have gone to showrooms in Delhi, in MG Road, Kirti Nagar, and then you must have gone to showrooms in China and factories in China. What was the biggest difference you saw in the
So
in terms of variety or finish?
Yes. So variety you cannot compare.
Right.
One particular showroom they have made a complete room kind of a thing wherein
Right.
bed is matching to the consoles, to the dining table, into the dressing table, into the sofas, to center table. So they have made complete house concepts.
Right.
And at least any of the showroom would have not less than 25 to 30 concepts.
Easily.
Easily, yes.
Easily, yes.
And then they have colors, different material to be used in sofas.
And I
So-
think that's the advantage where you can experience all the different
It's
furniture.
a one-stop shop basically.
Right.
You don't have to buy clothes from somebody else. You don't have to go to buy something for the stone for your table to different vendor.
Right.
Here you get one-stop solution. Wherein the stone, the cloth, the tables, the vanities, the loose furniture, the fixed furniture, everything you get from one shop. That is the beauty, first of all. Secondly, I would say whatever furniture is lying in the showroom, you would get exactly the same furniture.
Right.
Not even a 1% lower, 1% higher. Exactly same furniture. Commitment level is very high.
On
Here-
time production.
On time production, yes. Deliveries, but you can vouch for that. That if your furniture is ready in 59 days, in fact, not even in 60 days, it will be ready by in 59 days only.
Yes.
So whatever the commitment is there, I think they honor their commitment.
Right.
But when it comes to India, there are few things I got made here, which I couldn't get it from China because of the time constraint. Sir, whatever there is in the showroom, you would get the quality way less than that. Secondly, there is no time commitment,
Right.
quality assurance, and the price exorbitantly high. And it's a hassle if you are taking furniture from India. The price wise, if you compare, I think the kind of furniture what we have got from China, the finish, the contours, the quality, if we compare such kind of things in India, then it is way cheaper. Because such kind of furniture you would not find here in India. That's for sure. I can
So
assure
you
you
mean
that.
the same kind of furniture in India would be priced much higher,
Much higher, yes.
and
of course.
it might not even be available in India.
Yes,
The
that's
designs
true.
might not be available.
Surely
Like
they are
looking for
not.
Italian designs.
Surely they are not because they have got, I think, hundreds of designs.
Right.
Here, and then they have to take the kind of solution they come in with. They know what kind of stone will match with that, what kind of cloth will go with this kind of sofa. Okay, you get the experience guidance also.
Right.
But here, you do not get such kind of guidance. You have to take your interior designers, sometimes your architects, and there's so many companies involved. Stone guy is involved, your sofa guide is involved, cloth guy is involved, interior designer involved, electrician is involved. There's so many agencies which are involved, and but there you get solution, one shop
One
solution.
under
Yeah.
one roof you can
Stone,
get that.
cloth, carpets, even matching sofa colors, curtains. You get everything from one shop only. You don't have to go to different shops. Yes, if you want to buy different kind of furniture, then you might have to go to different vendors for it.
Right.
But I mean to say, if you're going to different vendor also, he would also have the same kind of solution, one stop solution to any of those companies.
Right.
Secondly, I think if you compare the pricing wise, it is not very expensive. It is cheap. First of all, you have a peace of mind.
Right. That is the most important.
That
And
is-
you're making
yes.
your dream home.
Yes.
The thing I'm buying has to be of best quality and delivered on time
Yes.
and to my taste.
Yeah, because everybody, when compared, they do not take the consideration of their time, which is very important. You are
Right.
wasting your whole day and you're going and checking the kind of quality. Here you do not have any hassle. You have ordered, then there's a team which is like Emily who takes care of quality. And trust me that she is well capable of enough. She can find a minute scratch also, which you would also not
Not be able to
find.
find. Correct.
So quality assurance,
Right.
timely delivery, and then part comes when the material comes to India,
Right.
and that is the last leg.
Right.
I think in that manner, it was a trouble-free deliveries wherein your people only came
Right. Right.
and they came with their full team with all
To,
laborers and all. They took the furniture, they unloaded the truck, they took the furniture to
Right.
first floor, they assembled, they opened complete furniture,
Correct.
they cleaned everything, and then they put sofas and everything on its place.
Right.
So I think that is again one of the things wherein you do not have to involve other labor also. That you have to
Absolutely.
find labors to do that and such kind of things.
So that is part of our service that we give
Yes.
to every client, that the furniture has come. Now it is our responsibility that it should be opened in the right way. It should be installed in the right way so that there is no damage. And then, so the client has a seamless experience. The client is not running after, now I have to get a carpenter or I have to get an electrician to now do this or do
Yes,
that.
that's true.
So that is where we give that end-to-end solution.
And
out.
going solution. No,
Okay.
see, everybody is comparing only the pricing part.
Right.
You only have to go to China once,
Correct.
maybe for 7 days, 8 days, 10 days. That is the only time which you have to put in your effort, which you really to finalize each and everything. Once
Right.
it is finalized, your furniture will come automatically. QC will be done from your team.
Right.
I mean to say, the furniture will be taken to my floor. It will be opened. It will be assembled. It will be put on its place.
Right.
You are not involved anywhere
Absolutely.
apart from just paying the amount for the furniture.
Even-
But here in India, if you
Right.
talk about, first of all, finalization, you have to go 10 times.
to finalize finishes,
You have to first
quality,
assemble
everything.
your team, wherein the interior designer is there, you are there, and then the furniture guy has to be there. Then you have to find the stone guy. You have to go to a stone shop. Then you have to color match it. Then you have to go to cloth shop. You have to see what kind of cloth is matching and all. So it's a quite hassle. Like, first of all, they would not have such kind of designs in display. You would only show them the photograph. We want such kind of furniture.
And they would try to make it from the picture, and then what
Yes.
comes from the picture, you don't know. It's a
That's
surprise.
True. That's true. And then you have to go for quality checks on your own. And then complete furniture would not be ready. They will show you, sir, this is dining table. Legs are not ready, but you can see the marble.
Right.
Sir, sofa is ready. Upholstery has to be done. So quality check, you have to go at least 10 to 15 times to do quality check. Because
Absolutely.
they do not have such kind of factories wherein they can assemble the complete furniture and then the timeline is there. Sir, आज ये छुट्टी थी. सर अब ये त्योहार आ गया, लेबर है नहीं. वो पीवीडी में गया हुआ है. वो भी स्टोन वाले ने स्टोन नहीं दिया. So such kind of nuisance is there.
Right.
And then after when the furniture comes, then you have to arrange for the labor. So labor तो हमारे पास है नहीं. Then you have to arrange labor 8-10 people to lift the furniture. उसके बाद most of the times I have seen the furniture is not as per the quality what they have assured.
Promised.
Or maybe
Correct.
probably they might have shown some bit of sofa that you would get exactly such kind of finish or quality, but it is always compromised. There's some touching which is needs to be done. Some part is cracking, some part is flaky. So, and after that also, once the furniture is assembled, then they will be sending their guy for touching thing,
Yes.
something
Yes.
going here way, some stitching problem is there. So it is a complete nuisance, and then the time is involved because you have to be present to tell the person what needs to be done.
So
Nobody
rightly
consider
said.
that your time is very much valuable.
Exactly. If you're running a business, if you are working every day and you are the decision maker in the family, then it is very hard to give 10, 15
That's true.
days every day doing the same thing. And there is a statistic that where people are taking these Pinterest images and making furniture for you. 80% of the time it is ending in dispute
That's true.
because something is not right.
Yeah.
The height, the depth, the fabric, the final finishing look, something is not right. It is never 100.
And secondly, let me talk on the same point again. When I finalize the furniture, I have got line drawing of each and everything. What would be the table height? Everything in AutoCAD and PDF format.
From the suppliers in China.
From the suppliers in China.
Right.
Like this is your sofa, this is the bed, this is the depth, this is the height,
Correct.
this is the firmness. In fact, for the dining table, this is the exact height and how they are making it. What complete line drawing you'll get. So you are satisfied in totality, and then you can, after when it is made, you can measure it.
Right.
Here there is no system like that.
Right.
Here there is no system
Right.
like that.
Oh no, I agree. I agree. They will make it on estimate. There is no drawing
Yeah,
system.
yeah,
There is
yeah.
no AutoCAD system.
Supposedly you go to China and they will tell you that this is the furniture and this will be comfortable only in this particular size, maybe width or maybe length. Here they can tweak whatever you want,
Right.
but you do not. You are not from the furniture industry.
You don't
You
know how
would
it
not
is
be
going to
able to
look.
explain. And here the people are willing to do anything for you.
Right.
They would not tell you no, sir, if it will not be comfortable.
Right.
It will not look good. They would not tell you because they won't order. They do not, and once they get order, then you are on their disbursement.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I mean to say, in China they would tell you, sir, if we would make sectional sofa, first of all we would not make it because this would not be comfortable, and ultimately we will be in bad
Right.
eyes.
Right.
But
Right.
here everybody is willing to do anything for you, without.
But how the aesthetics is going to come at the end of the day,
Yeah, yeah.
how the
And
look
then
is
they
going to
will put
come,
yes.
they have no idea.
Yeah, and they will put everything on you, sir. आपने बोला था, हमने कर दिया.
Correct.
So that is one of the major
This
challenges.
is a pain point we hear from a lot of our customers. Actually.
Yes.
That when they are actually giving these customized furniture orders, then they are not satisfied with the end product most of the times.
Yes. Yes.
So we have had some customers who have done, for example, their beds, and then they realized that it was a huge problem to get the beds made. So after the beds, they stopped. Then they went to China to get everything else.
And the paint quality and the kind of paint quality what is there on my furniture, the kind of
Right.
PVD.
Right.
See, PVD is happening in India also, but how many microns PVD they are putting up?
Right.
If they would compromise the quality to give you the cheaper rates.
Right.
But in China, they would not compromise on the quality. Because they know that if you're buying furniture, that should last around for 15, 20 years. Maybe only a upholstery change if you require.
Right.
Because the whatever beds and whatever sofas I've got, they have got totally metallic frame structure.
Frames.
There is no wood which is being used.
Right.
What I've seen.
Right.
And they're quite heavy also. The 8 people cannot lift even one sofa.
Right.
So you can, and that is being shown. If somebody look from the naked eye, they can just make the difference.
It looks that furniture is giving that look that
Yes,
you had
yes,
ordered.
yes, yes.
Right. Right. Oh no, that is amazing, sir. That is amazing. I'm glad you have finally the project is done and the house is looking beautiful
Thank
and
you.
all your hard work has paid off.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you.
we
I think this is all support from you and Jaideep ji
thank you.
and the
Thank
global
you.
company. One thing I would like to add more. I had also, because I got their reference from Instagram, and likewise there were 2, 3 other guys also, and I went to them also.
Right.
But I was not convinced because they were having all Indian mentality that you come to China, we'll figure it out, we'll make as per your budget. But it's not that. It's not like that. So, and they were also not very transparent, to be very honest. But here I got the transparency in complete from the beginning, from the buying furniture, paying advance and deliveries, and
And
after
to
that,
the costs involved in the middle also, like custom duties and
yeah.
shipping,
So everything was
totally transparent
it
and
was totally
shared
transparent. Yes.
with Amit ji that this is how much it has costed for the furniture to come to India. These are all the costs involved,
Yeah.
and wherever we could pass on the benefit to Amit ji, we did that also for him.
Yeah. Of
That
course.
where if some cost has gone down from the estimate, we passed on that benefit to him. That yes, the cost has gone down, and helped him out in that way as well.
In fact, I would tell you the buying furniture from China is one thing, and getting a right person from whom you have to coordinate with is the major thing.
Right.
Wherein, if the
Right.
person is right, you would get all the experience would go right.
Right.
If the person you are dealing with is not right, is not transparent, then I think the whole process would be
Might end
better.
up in a bad experience also.
Yes, yes.
And you, Amiji, I'm sure you can confirm, like from loading of the furniture in China to reaching his house, there was not even one phone call made to Amiji that there is some problem here or in customs or in
That's true.
transportation
That's
or
true.
anything like
That's
that.
true.
We kept the process absolutely smooth and
That's true.
transparent.
That's true.
That furniture has now left. In 20 days, it has reached the port. Now custom is cleared. It has reached our warehouse. Everything was kept in a very, very
Yeah.
transparent and smooth way
Yes, yes.
for him.
Of
There was
course.
no trouble given to him that it is stuck somewhere or it is now not moving. Or
So it was kind of a vacation I went to China. I can say that. Now it seems like a vacation only.
No, amazing, amazing, Amitji. And it's been a pleasure for us also to work with you.
Same.
And honestly, we have also learned a lot of new things working with you with your passion for the project and your attention to detail and looking at everything very closely. And it makes us also better in our future projects.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you, sir.